Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we'll dive into grilling your squid perfectly, how to know when it's done, and quick ways to serve it that impress every time. Basic steps. Pull the head and insides out in one firm tug. Remove the clear quill, a plastic-like strip, from the tube. Cut off the tentacles just below the eyes, then pop out the hard beak at the center. Rinse the tube and tentacles briefly, then pat very dry. You can peel the purple skin if you want a cleaner look, but it's optional. Trim any long fins if they're ragged. For better curl and more char, lightly score the inside of the tube in a shallow crosshatch. Don't cut through. Scoring helps it stay flatter on the grill and gives you more browned edges. A simple grilled squid method that stays juicy: quick marinade, hot grill, fast cook. Squid follows one rule that sounds annoying but works. Cook it fast or cook it long. The middle zone is where rubber lives. Grilling is the fast path. You want high heat, short time, and dry surfaces so the squid sears instead of steams. If you set everything up before the squid hits the grill, the cooking part is almost over before you can second guess it. Cut tubes so they lie flat, whole, halved, or in wide panels. Tentacles can go on as is. If pieces are tiny, use skewers or a grill basket so nothing slips through. Marinade that adds flavor without turning squid mushy. A good grilled squid marinade is more like a seasoning coat than a long soak. Acid is great in small doses, but too much for too long can soften the outside and make it mealy. A simple formula that works. Olive oil. Garlic, minced or grated. Lemon zest. Save juice for serving. Chopped parsley or oregano. Smoked paprika or chili flakes. Salt and black pepper. Marinate 15 to 30 minutes at room temperature, or up to 1 hour in the fridge. Longer than that, especially with lots of lemon juice or vinegar, can hurt texture. Before grilling, shake off excess marinade and pat lightly if it looks wet. Less dripping means fewer flare-ups, better browning, and less bitter smoke on the squid. Grill setup, cook times, and how to tell when it's done. Use high heat, whether you're on gas or charcoal. Preheat until the grates are hot enough to sear quickly. Clean the grates, then oil them. A folded paper towel dipped in oil works well, held with tongs. Key goal: steady contact. Squid that sits flat gets char marks and cooks evenly. Cooked times are approximate, because squid size varies. Tubes, 1 to 2 minutes per side. Tentacles, 2 to 3 minutes total, turning once. Thicker pieces, at 30 to 60 seconds per side. Watch closely. Doneness cues beat the clock. Squid is ready when it turns opaque, feels lightly firm, not stiff, and has clear char marks. If it's shrinking fast and tightening into a tight curl, you're close. Pull it. Rest grilled squid 1 to 2 minutes, then slice. For a classic look, cut tubes into rings. For a more tender bite, slice into thin strips across the grain. Common mistakes that lead to chew. Grill not hot enough, it steams. Overcrowding, heat drops. Cooking just in case for too long. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.